In this video today, I'm going to show you how I am making 4 figures a month from not even leaving my house. What's the crack, everyone? Welcome back to Buy Wholesale. I hope, of course, you're all well. Anyone new to the channel, it's all about money saving tips. It's about investment advice, stock trading. That is the core functionality of this channel. If that sounds like something you are interested in, make sure to smash that subscribe button and like the video if you find value. Now, I'm going to start doing videos here that show you multiple ways to make money. This is truly mind-blowing. The reason I have discovered these types of things is because I have been an investor now for many years, and when I invest in companies, I get to understand business models, and this is a business model that just purely and simply works. Now, to get the disclaimer out of the way, results will depend on what you put in. It's like anything, the more you put in, the more you'll get out, and it depends on the user themselves. This is all about uploading photographs to a website and getting paid for doing so. So it's going to apply to photographers. People that have an eye for photography will maximize the position. But if you're like me, that has really no eye or no interest in going out and taking photographs and taking the effort to do that, I will show you the greatest site in the world where you can get free, copyright-free images uploaded to this site and start getting paid today. Money will just start coming in. As you can see, payments will just start flying into your bank account and you will not know what to do. This, alongside multiple other online tricks, hacks if you want to call it that, I will be showing you over the coming weeks. The first thing you need to do is download the app or go onto the magic website that will pay you money for uploading photographs. It's called Shutterstock. Now, there is other websites, but in my opinion, this is the one that pays you the best and it is the biggest. I originally heard about this stock and seen the growth that this stock has had. It's unbelievable how big this company has got. If we scroll down here, this is how you get paid. Earning breakdowns for photos, illustrations and vectors. Level 1 up to 100. Number of image licensed this calendar year. If you've up to 100, you will earn 15%. Level 2 and the whole way up to 40% of your photographs that get paid, that get used, you will get 40% commission. That is what I'm saying. The more you put in, the more you'll get out of this. Earning breakdowns for videos. If you upload videos, recordings, it's the same. So the more you upload, the more you put in, the more you get out of this. And there's also referring people to this. So the more people you get on board, you also get paid for this. This couldn't be any easier. If you know anyone that takes photography, if they aren't doing Shutterstock, get on it. You can make a fortune. It's very self-explanatory. This isn't a how-to video. This is what you need to do to make money video. You go on and learn how to do this, but you simply upload images and you get paid. Why do people want to pay for these images? Well, if you think about it, businesses will pay hundreds and hundreds of pounds for professional photographers to come in and take pictures for perhaps a campaign that they're doing. You can go on to Shutterstock and get any amount of pictures you want and pay a fee that will undercut any professional photographer going out and doing those ad campaigns. As you can see here, they have a wide range that'll suit any budget. On demand, get the images you need when you need them. Single user, downloads within 1 year. You can download 5 images for £29. Downloads per month, 750, it's £119. It depends on the business, it depends on the model, it depends on just the general person. Some people like taking good photographs and having them in and around their house. You think about the money you would spend for a professional picture. You think of the money you would spend on a professional piece of art for your home. I certainly wouldn't be spending that money when I can go on and download as many photographs as I want, create my own art. The list is endless here. This is why there's such a high demand, and this is why we have seen this stock do nothing but absolutely smash every single year. This is why we're seeing this business model absolutely go to the moon. It is the future online. It's just the way you've got to go. So pretty straightforward. You're a photographer, you're taking photographs, instead of posting them on Facebook for free, upload them to this and start earning today. Now, what happens if you're not a photographer? What happens if you're like myself, who just doesn't have the time, it's not something they're passionate about, but likes the idea of making money? Well, this is the secret tip here. You can go on to stock free photographs, copyright free photographs, that people that maybe don't understand that you can do this are uploading their images for free to allow you to do whatever you want with. You can take those photographs and upload them to this. Now, this is where my special trick, if you want to call it that, comes in. Not only are we going to download free copyright pictures, we're going to exploit them by working what is on trend. And this is the key. This is the key with any matrix, for any social media platform, for anything. You need to understand how to target things that are on trend. Now you can go on the Google Trends, perhaps with the recent Queen passing, pictures of the Queen would have been highly sought after, no doubt in my mind. Now that is ship is shield, but seasonal, and this is what I want to talk about. Things that are seasonal will always do well. We have the Halloween period coming up, and after that we have the Christmas period coming up. So what I would be doing is going on, there's a lot of different websites to do these, free stock images into Google, and websites will come up that you can go on, Pixabay, Unsplash, but the one I'm going to show you today is Pixels, just for example, because it's the first one. I've used all of them, and you search for free photographs. So what I would be doing is typing in Halloween. You have 6.3 thousand photographs, videos 1.2 thousand, and you just simply go through, find ones that have not been uploaded before and upload them. So for example, this photograph, I would simply free download, and that's it. And then what I do when it's downloaded, I upload. Jobs are good, and people come along, select those photographs, the money starts rolling in. The more you can get into this, just like investing, just like Amazon business, whatever way you want to look at it, it's the same principle. It's about compounding, it's about uploading more and more and more, and the more you get into the system, the more the money starts to go up, and the more average income starts to roll in. This type of thing, plus all the other videos I'm going to show you, if you were to apply all of these things in your spare time, in your days off, at night time, if you just religiously stuck to doing this for the next year of your life, you could financially retire and be done working only from your laptop. And that is everything, guys. I hope you found this one informative. I've enjoyed it, and I'm going to be doing more videos like this, especially with the difficult times that we're going into. There might be a lot of people feeling the pinch. Things like this here can help you earn a few extra pounds a month that will help you put food on your table, help you with your energy crisis, whatever it may be. So if you like these videos, please like, subscribe, help me grow the channel. I appreciate everybody that does that. I will be back with more money saving tips, more ways of how to earn money online. So make sure to smash the button, please. And I will check out this video next. This is how you can become a millionaire. It is no magic, there's no thrills. It is a simple, tried and tested way of being able to do it. The only thing it takes is consistency. If you can be consistent, this is the video for you. Peace.